In this video, let me show you how to refund on Helcim. To issue a refund on Helcim, open your browser in your PC or laptop, whether it is Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Brave browser. Click the search bar at the top and search for Helcim. Once loaded, click the first link at the pop-up, and here, log into your account or create one if you don't have. From the left-hand menu, click on Payments, then select Transactions, choose ACH payment as the transaction type if that applies. Once you find the transaction you want to refund, click the three dots on the right side of the transaction line, then select Refund and confirm by clicking Yes. After selecting the specific payment, you will see its details like amount and status. Click the triple dot button next to it, and below Send Receipt, you'll see the refund option. Follow the prompts to complete the refund. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.